Alright, so do I see that you created a video modeling after this? Let's go ahead and put it on our timeline. Alright, so here it is. This is the one that went viral, and I guess your one is the one below. Right now it doesn't look like it matches. I'm just looking at the sound bites. It doesn't seem like you modeled after. The cuts might seem similar. It looks like you sort of, oh, no, you didn't do the same cuts as well. So when you go to their page, that video that you modeled after, let's see, it's called I Literally Can't Leave My Room Now. I literally, where is it? Can't find the exact video, but I'm pretty sure it got like millions of views. Oh, here it is, 18 million views. Okay, so let's see your version.
I finally got a mini projector and I finally got a Galaxy projector.
Yeah, like they started without the music and then the music faded in. But you started it with the music.
I finally got a mini projector and oh my god.
And you also didn't make the same cuts. Like for example, if we started the first,
I finally got a Galaxy projector. I finally got a Galaxy.
so the first cut happened here. Let's see, when was your first cut?
I finally got a mini.
See if it lines up. That's good. The first cut sort of lines up, but you're sort of a few seconds late. I think the music is the biggest difference. You didn't use the same sound.
I finally got a mini projector and oh my god. I finally got a Galaxy projector and OMG. Finally got a Galaxy projector.
What you could have done is you could have just cut it here, used their audio, and just change the first one. So what you could have done was detach audio and replace it with your one, and then keep it the exact same. 1, 2, yeah, and the video is longer. Like I want you to make it exactly the same. So you want to find a viral video in a different niche or a similar niche and copy it, make it exactly the same. So one, it's not exactly the same at the moment, but let's check the rest of the video.
I finally got a mini
So this should have been silent.
projector and oh my god. And oh my god.
Good job. Same.
OMG.
Very good.
And oh my god. And OMG.
So you see how there was more panning, because now people are trying to see what it looks like across the room, whereas I think you kept it in one spot for too long. You should have panned around the room. Should have panned and showed the edges. Like started from here and slowly pan around. But I guess you sort of did it, but it felt like it wasn't moving because I guess it's dark. Well, you did pan back and forth, I guess. And then they do a different angle. Now, I don't know what the bedroom looks like. I see the bed. Then I see the left of the bed. The right side of the bed. Then, I don't know, is this a different room? So I think they moved it to a different room, maybe. Oh, maybe it's just a different angle. And then another different angle. So not only are the the color's different, but the angles are different. So when you cut to these different clips, you should have also jumped to a different angle and watch it from a different angle. So this is good, I guess. But I guess like you want to sort of do an angle like maybe from lying your bed where they can see your feet and then they can see the movie. Another one where it's like you're standing from the outside of the room and people can see the bed. And so like right now I think one thing you need to do is with the videos, with these movie projectors, there needs to be a background, whether like a table underneath or it's sort of being shot, the bed is here and then the screen is there. So people want to see the furniture, they want to see the realness. You know, don't be afraid to show off. Let's say you don't have like the biggest room, or like people like the realness. Like if you just have like a basic sort of, you know, teenagers sort of bedroom setup, use that to your advantage. Don't be afraid and hide it, because right now you're sort of hiding it where it's just everything's black, where we can only see the thing, we can't really see the actual bedroom. So yeah, send me another one and I'll critique it more, but this is a good first steps, but those are some critiques on how you can improve.